Want a clean and unique home screen setup that looks and feels smooth? In this video, I'll show you how to create this stunning setup using Nova Launcher, Aline Orange icons, a Flamingo KWGT widget, and a beautiful wallpaper from Wall41. Stay till the end because I'll also share some pro tips to make your setup even better. Step 1. Setting the foundation, Nova Launcher settings. First, let's tweak Nova Launcher for a seamless experience. Open Nova settings and follow these steps. Checkmark desktop grid. Set to 11 by 7 for a balanced layout. Icon size adjust to 70% for a sleek look. Padding. Keep it minimal for a clean design. Disable dock to make the setup more aesthetic. Enable swipe gestures for a clutter-free experience. Now let's move on to the wallpaper. Step 2. Applying the wallpaper. Wall41. A setup is nothing without the right wallpaper. I'm using this stunning dark aesthetic wallpaper from Wall41. You can find more amazing wallpapers there. Step 3. Icon pack, Aline Orange. For icons, I'm using Aline Orange. These minimal yet stylish icons perfectly match the setup, giving it a futuristic neon vibe. Simply apply them through Nova Launcher settings. Step 4. KWGT widget, Flamingo. Now let's add the final touch. A cool Flamingo KWGT widget, 00011. This widget blends perfectly with the theme. Here's how to set it up. Long press on the home screen, add KWGT widget, select Flamingo 00011. Resize it to fit perfectly. Customize colors if needed to match the theme. Step 5. Final touch, gestures and smooth animations. To make the experience even better, I've added some cool swipe gestures in Nova Launcher. For example, swipe up, open app drawer, double tap, lock screen, swipe down, open notifications. These gestures help keep the home screen clean while making navigation super fast. And that's it. This is how you can create a clean, aesthetic home screen setup using Nova Launcher. Let me know in the comments if you liked it. Also, if you want more setup tutorials like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. See you in the next video. Peace, 2 hands up.